Hello, it's me again, the self-taught programmer, engineer, blah blah blah. So how are you today? So I've been learning about mathematics recently because that's a very important topic if you're in tech. Software engineering, deep learning, machine learning, quantum computing, which is the next big thing that's coming up. Expect that. And then I've been learning mathematics recently and I found a course that I really love it. Oh yeah, then the topic that I'm currently learning is Linear Algebra, which is I will explain to you guys later on. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let's go! So before jumping to the course, I think it's important to understand what is linear algebra. What is that? I'm pretty sure you have heard of that in high school, but we sort of like forget about it because we have been forced to learn that when we were in high school. We need to understand what is linear algebra and then why do we need to learn that in machine learning. What is linear algebra? Have you seen this? Or this? Or this? They are part of the linear algebra family. So all these are matrices, vectors, because you will use a lot of matrices in machine learning. If you have seen them, congratulations, you know about linear algebra, but you just don't know it that well yet. What are the important topics in linear algebra that is important in machine learning as well? So first one we have matrices and vectors. Second one, linear transformations. And then the last one would be eigenvalues and eigenvectors. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Eigen or eigen? Sounds like German, but these are the most the topic that you will see quite often in machine learning, that then you will use that quite often as well when like using your model or fine-tuning your model, whatever. Let's just briefly go through all of them and to understand more what are they. So matrices will be used a lot in NumPy calculations and data representation and stuff. And vector, I'm pretty sure you have seen this. I'm pretty sure you have seen this before because I remember that, but then I just couldn't remember it well that like how to use that. Linear transformations. You have seen this. You have seen this in high school. Eigenvalues and eigenvectors. You have seen all of them. I don't really need to explain anything, right? I just have to like help you to rewind everything. So, since you have already understand basically most of them, sort of, why are they important in machine learning? How are they being used in machine learning? For me, I'm not a pro, I'm still learning, and I would just try to describe that in the most basic ways. Let me give you 3 case scenarios. The first one, as I have mentioned before, data representations. Just imagine you have like a table of data and then you need to add them to some values, and then how are you gonna, you've got all these data and you wanted to add them with this data. You're not gonna, but like how are you gonna do that? You can do that with matrices multiplications, which is, I'm pretty sure you have learned that in high school as well. You can just Google that, or I'll put a link down below on how to do a matrices multiplications. That's one of the use cases. And the second one would be using with NumPy, calculations, array and stuff. Yeah, and then the third use cases would be grafting, like linear regressions, linear regressions. When using that in machine learning models, I'm pretty sure you have heard that before. And then the fourth cases would be PCA for EDA. EDA stands for exploratory data analyst. EDAs means you need to, clean your data, format your data into the right data set before you put it into your training. Like sometimes you need to reduce some of the numbers of features in a data set while trying to preserve the meaning of the data. Like the last data set, and you're trying to like resize it into a smaller one, which eigenvalues and eigenvectors will be very useful in this case. Those are the use cases. The basic use cases. I'm pretty sure there are more. Do you understand what is linear algebra and then why it's important in machine learning? If yes, let's go to my favorite course. If no, just go and do some research yourself. So, my favorite course for linear algebra would be from MIT OpenCourseWare. Ta-da! This is my favorite course. I mean, like, I have seen this course before a lot of time, but then, like, way back. Like, I don't really want to take those MIT courses or whatever because they are way too long. It's like an hour of courses for each chapter, and then there are like 15 chapters over there, and then I have to spend like 15 hours on it. I mean, it's not long, but anyway, but I changed my mind now. They are the best course ever, and it's free. It's from MIT, the top university in the world. I was so stupid before. This is one of my favorite linear algebra course, and then it's taught by one of the top professors in MIT. The course is just amazing. It literally teaches you from a nothing to something. You need to have a bit of like mathematics experience. I'm pretty sure you have. The reason I like the course is because it has basically everything you're looking for. You're looking for a video course, they have that. Like a detailed video courses about linear algebra, yes, they have that. You're looking for revisions video, they have something like recitation video, which is like a video that will show you the summary of what, like an extra of the main video. And then they have like practice questions, summary from the lectures. I mean it's, and then it's free, and then all you need to do is just spend your time, sit down and just look at the laptop for like, focus for like an hour. That's all you need to do, and then you will learn everything about linear algebra. So this is one of my favorite course, and I think you guys should check it out, definitely. It might take 1 or 2 months for you to finish everything and then try to understand everything as well. But it's worth it. I mean, it's very, like, nowadays, and then for the future, it's very important to understand mathematics in order to build something, get a job, build something awesome for the future. You need a detailed and in-depth knowledge of mathematics nowadays. I mean, not now maybe, but in the future, because it's going to be helpful for your career. So get started with mathematics now, and then try out this course and let me know what you think down below. If you have done that, let me know what you think. I'm pretty sure it is like one of the best courses in the world, on the internet, everywhere. So just check it out. I love it. That's it for today. I hope you have learned linear algebra, a bit of linear algebra from me just now, and then get to know about the course and stuff. Yeah, so that's it for today. I'm gonna continue my course. I've been learning it so far, right? And it's fun. So get on it. If you like, if you're looking for a Telegram group to study machine learning, discussion about data science, etc., join my Telegram group, and then it's down below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, if you have learned something, give me a thumbs up. And then if you want me to create any more videos or any topic that you wanted to look at, or any topic that you wanted to see, comment down below. And I will see you guys next time.